Hello students, in this video we will solve the next question of exercise 7.2. Question number 7. Find the coordinate of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and 1, 4. So first of all, according question, we try to make figure. It's circle and it is a diameter, point A and point B. O is the center. Coordinate of point A is not given here, so let we assume that the coordinate of A is x and y, and coordinate of B point is given here 1 and 4 in question. And according question, the coordinate of the center point is 2, -3. So first of all we will write here, let coordinate of A be xy. We know that center O is midpoint of AB, because you know that center O divide the diameter in equal part, so it will be the midpoint of AB. And we know that the coordinate of the midpoint, x coordinate of सेंटर O, आइए सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल लेते हैं. x कोऑर्डिनेट x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2, x1 y1 ये होगा and x2 y2 will be the coordinate of B point, and x coordinate we have here 2, so we will write the value of x coordinate of center O 2 equals to x1 value x plus x2 value 1 upon 2. Cross multiply 4 equals to x plus 1. Now the 1 transfer to other side. 4 minus 1 equals to x 3. So x coordinate of point A will be 3. Now we will find out the y coordinate. Y coordinate of center O will be y1 plus y2 upon 2. So we have the y coordinate here -3 equals to y1 value y, and y2 value here 4 upon 2. Cross multiply -6 equals to y plus 4. 4 transfer to other side, -6 minus 4 equals to y. -6 minus 4 will be -10, then the y value -10. So you can see here x coordinate and y coordinate of point A will be 3 and -10. I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Let's see once again. According question, we have the diameter AB, in which only coordinate of B is given here. Coordinate A we will find out, and we have the center coordinate. We will know that center divide the diameter in equal part, so it will be the midpoint. And in previous video we know that how we'll find out the midpoint coordinate. So we will find out the O coordinate, x coordinate of O point, x1 plus x2 upon 2, x coordinate is given here 2, and x1 value x plus x2 value will be b coordinate value 1. And now cross multiplication 4 equals to x plus 1, and after then we will find out the value of x. Similarly, y coordinate of the center O will be y1 plus y2 upon 2, but we know that we have already the y coordinate of O minus 3, so we will put here minus 3 equals to y1 value will be y plus y2 value will be 4. Now cross multiply, minus 6 equals to y plus 4, minus 6 minus 4 will be transferred here, minus 4 equals to y, minus 10 equals to y, so y coordinate will be minus 10. Now we will solve the question number 8. According question number 8, if A and B are the point minus 2 and coordinate of B point is 2 minus 4, respectively find the coordinate of P such that AP equals to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. इसका मतलब है कि आपके पास में दो पॉइंट हैं, पॉइंट A है जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास में है -2 and -2, and coordinate of B point is 2 and -4. According question, there are third point P which is lies on the line segment AB. There is no coordinate of P, so let we assume that the coordinate of P is x and y. According question, we want to find out the coordinate of P. If you want to find out the coordinate of P, then it is required that we have ratio here, but हमारे पास यहाँ कोई ratio नहीं है. So look at here. First of all, we will write here, let coordinate of P xy, and after then we will find out the ratio. Look at here. According question, we have AP equals to 3 upon 7 AB. We know that PB will be AB minus AP. Then PB equals to AB minus, we will put the value AP according question 3 upon 7 AB. Now will be PB equals to, LCM will be here 7 multiply AB, 7 AB minus 3 AB. PB equals to 7 AB minus 3 AB will be 4 AB upon 7. Then you can see here PB value will be 4 upon 7 AB. Now the ratio of AP and PB, AP upon PB, value AP here 3 upon 7 AB, and the value of PB 4 upon 7 AB. AB cut, 7 and 7 cut, then ratio will be AP upon PB will be 3 upon 4. That means you can see here AP and PB ratio will be 3:4. Now look at it once again. According question we have here AP equals to 3/7 AB, and we know that here we want to find out the PB. So PB will be AB minus AP, AB minus AP, AB minus AP. AB minus AP value here according equation first, AP value 3/7 AB. So we take the LCM here 7 multiply AB बन जाएगा 7AB minus 3AB. Now look at here PB equals to 7AB minus 3AB will be 4AB upon 7. So PB value will be 4/7 AB. Now the ratio AP upon PB, value of AP 3/7 AB and value of PB 4/7 AB. AB cut 7 cut, then ratio will be 3:4. सो लुक एट हियर, आपके पास में रेशियो आ गया है. अब हम सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. बाय सेक्शन फॉर्मूला x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P पॉइंट, x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P point will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. आपको पिछले वीडियो में ये फॉर्मूला मैंने बता दिया था. ये सेक्शन फॉर्मूला है. किसी भी पॉइंट जो कि लाइन सेगमेंट को डिवाइड करता है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करने का ये फॉर्मूला है. नाउ वी विल पुट द वैल्यू m1 3, x2 कोऑर्डिनेट हियर, x1 y1 ये लेंगे और x2 y2 ये ले लेंगे. तो देन x2 वैल्यू हियर 2 प्लस m2 कोऑर्डिनेट इज 4 इंटू x1 कोऑर्डिनेट -2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2, सम ऑफ द रेशियो मीन्स 3 + 4, 6 -8 upon 7, then it will be -2 upon 7. So x coordinate will be -2 upon 7. Now we will find out the y coordinate. Y coordinate of P will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 वैल्यू आपको मालूम है 3, y2 वैल्यू हियर -4 बिकॉज x1 y1 ये है हमारे पास में एंड x2 y2 ये है. तो y2 वैल्यू होगा -4 प्लस m2 वैल्यू 4 इंटू y1 वैल्यू हियर -2 and the sum of the ratio here 7. -12 -8 upon 7, then y coordinate will be -20 upon 7. So you can see here x coordinate will be -2 upon 7 and y coordinate will be -20 upon 7. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. In next video we will solve the next question. आज के लिए इतना ही.